In the ancient world, where myth and reality intertwined, the birth of oceanic mythology was not a tale of gods and monsters, but a testament to human understanding of the vast, mysterious ocean. Long ago, in the golden age of Atlantis, a civilization thrived beneath the waves. Its people, the Atlanteans, were the seafarers of their time, their lives entwined with the sea. However, their greatest deity was yet to be born. Poseidon, the god of the sea, was not always a figure of reverence. Born from the titan Cronus and the earth goddess Gaia, he was cast into the ocean as a baby, left to the mercy of the sea. But the ocean, ever nurturing, cradled him and raised him, teaching him its secrets. As Poseidon grew, so did his power. He learned to command the waves, to tame the storms, and to breathe life into the vast depths. His presence was felt in the rhythm of the tides, the crash of the waves, and the call of the sea. The Atlanteans, in awe of this divine force, worshipped him as their protector and creator. But with great power came great responsibility. A time came when the sea threatened Atlantis, a great storm, unlike any before, threatened to destroy their city. Poseidon, watching from the depths, felt the anguish of his people. With a mighty roar, he rose from the ocean, his trident in hand. He battled against the storm, his power rivaling the fury of the sea. For 3 days and 3 nights, he fought, his strength never faltering, his resolve unwavering. Finally, with a final, mighty strike, he quelled the storm, saving Atlantis from ruin. The people of Atlantis hailed Poseidon as their savior. They built grand temples in his honor, offering sacrifices to appease his wrath and to show their gratitude. The story of Poseidon's battle against the storm became a cornerstone of their mythology, a tale passed down through generations. Yet, the story of Poseidon is more than just a myth. It is a testament to the power of the sea, a reminder of the ancient world's understanding of its mysteries. It is a story that echoes through the ages, a testament to the enduring power of the ocean and the gods that rule it. This tale, while a work of fiction, is rooted in the realities of the ancient world, a reflection of the fear, reverence, and awe the people of Atlantis felt for the vast, mysterious ocean that surrounded them. The Oceanic mythology, born from the stories of their gods and the mysteries of the sea, continues to captivate us today, a testament to the enduring allure of the ocean and the stories that rise from its depths.